Hey there, hope you all guys are doing well. I'm recording this video just to provide a convenient means of creating reports and documents within fraction of seconds with the help of artificial intelligence. So let's get started. For that reason, you have to move in to the extensions in your Google Chrome, and while you are inside the extensions, open up your Chrome Web Store. Once the web store gets loaded, you have to search for one of the Chrome extensions with the name compose.ai. When you reach this powerful editing tool, all you have to do is just connect it to your Chrome as an extension. Let's hold on till the extension gets downloaded and installed inside the Chrome. Alright, sounds good. So once the extension is installed and added to your Chrome, you will be having a small Chrome extension visibility up here, and you can pin this extension to your panel up there. Alright, so we are good to go there. Let's try to compose one of the documents that we require to work on with. And before we go into the details of the technical aspects, how to write the reports, I must tell you that this compose.ai goes really cool with Gmail, Google Documents, Outlook, Hotmail, etc. But if you try to use it with probably some another websites, might not be so convenient like it works here. So let me move into docs.google.com and let me try to produce a new document for myself. So I clicked on to add a new document, and here is a brand new document for me that I could try to use in my case. Alright, so the Google document has loaded, and now for example I have to write down a report talking about some laboratory maintenance, for example. So all I have to do is // of course, just don't make mistake in writing on the backward slashes. Once I'm done with this, a prompt comes up from compose.ai. Now it gives you a list of all the things that you could do probably in this particular case. So for us, we're going to write down a report on maintenance of lab computers. And just press an enter and hold on for a while. Now remember, during the time that there are 15,000 words capacity for one day while you use a compose AI. And see the magic. The entire lab report, and of course a demo report is considered, and it is created for you directly from the panel itself. And all you can do is try to customize this report with the inputs that you require to do it for yourself. And that makes it so easy to design and make this report professional. You can also try to append a report. You can also try to do an outline or bullet list or create a paragraph about, for example, let me write down different types of operating systems. So as soon as I'm going to write this, a paragraph, compose.ai is going to give me a simple operating system paragraph. Now, if I want to integrate, or if I want to do a bulleted list, for example, on types of operating systems, all right, so, and there you go. So you get a list automatically from the different type of operating systems automatically generated by compose.ai. So that makes it really powerful and really effective for designing the documents within fractions of seconds with the help of artificial intelligence. And not only limited to the documents, you may move on further ahead to create meaningful emails as well. Let's say I want to just prepare one email, and let me just click close it all. Alright, so here you will see a simple blue dot that appears, which gives you certain menus. You can drag and drop it to a proper location if you want. And of course, when you click on this button in blue color, it's going to ask you for some brief overviews or brief lines, right? So write a leave application. Probably you may have to write down a leave application to your boss someday. So all you have to do is just mention write a leave, and here you go. You have a complete list and templates for your leave application. For example, this two are there, and I think this one is okay. So when I select this, the leave application is generated, and I have absolutely no problem. I mean, I have to do nothing in that case. And also, I would like to make your attention up to one of the important and really beautiful feature of this Compose AI is you select a particular line and you have these menus arising up. Now, these menus are giving you the power to rephrase, maybe shorten the sentence, maybe expand the sentence, maybe change it from formal tone to friendly tone. It depends on you. And of course, when you do a rephrase, he again suggests you proper rephrases. So it becomes really easy. You can select anyone else if you want to do any modifications or updates in that. And this is how Compose.ai is really helpful for you to compose emails, to create dynamic reports, to of course edit the things like we did. And it can also suggest you while you're mentioning or while you're writing an email. For example, I want to thank you. Now have a look here. If you go up, you will find there are a couple of options, and if you press on or enable the multiple suggestions on this website probably, so what will happen is your Gmail will start getting some predefined suggestions, and now you will see here a long list of predefined suggestions are there. All you have to do is press a tab like here. I want to thank you for your time and attention. Full stop. And then you can continue further ahead or you can stop there depending on the material that you want to write there. So that makes it really powerful tool, and I think that this will be really helpful for all of you for your future and preparing documents in fractions of seconds with the power of artificial intelligence. Thank you very much for listening. Have a nice day.